Give it to me.
We can do this in a minute.
I don't give a fuck.
I'm in the middle of an investigation.
I'm in the middle of a give me your name, bitch, so I can keep a name.
It's Officer Tayman. I told you that when we started this. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you can afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed.
On June 25th, 2022, Officer Tayman of the Sant, Petersburg Police Department initiated a criminal DUI investigation at the scene of a minor traffic accident, a legally distinct purpose from crash response, under Warren versus United States, 1996. A lawful traffic stop may serve as the basis for any additional investigation supported by reasonable suspicion. That threshold was met here. The order to exit the vehicle carries independent constitutional authority. Pennsylvania versus Mimms, 1977, established that officers may order a driver from a lawfully stopped vehicle without further justification.
Hi there. Is that your name? All right, well, I'm Officer Tayman with the St. Petersburg Police Department. I have nothing to do with the crash here. I'm here to investigate a possible criminal DUI. All right, do you mind stepping out of the vehicle for me real quick? Oh, did you fall? Are you okay? Okay. All right, you feeling? Come right on over here for me.
So watch the cars.
Can I check your eyes?
Yes.
Okay, do you have any contacts in?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Are they hard or soft?
You're soft.
Okay, perfect. Do you have any blindness? Right?
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
but with your contacts and you can see and all that? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so you can see this green light here?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to just have you stand there.
Yeah, of course.
Take the light back and forth a bunch of times. Just
Okay.
follow with your eyes and your eyes only for me, okay? Keep your head straight for me. Can you just straighten it out? Awesome. Can you put it in the middle? There we go. Keep your head straight, so keep your head like pointed at me, but just look with your eyes, okay? Does that make sense?
No fucking shit.
There you go. So keep your head straight.
Fucking stupid. Do that fucking shit.
Are you able to keep your head straight? Do you understand get what I'm saying with that? Like keep your face pointed at me, but just look like left and right with your eyes, okay?
Just making a hard time for you, baby.
There you go. Keep following it. It's gonna go back and forth a bunch of times.
No,
You're doing
shit,
great.
right? Tell me
Just
something
keep your head
I
straight
don't
for
know.
me. Can you keep your head straight for me? Do you understand what I'm saying with that? Am I being clear? If I'm not, let me know. I'll give you a different direction.
You can speak in a different language if you want.
Keep your head straight.
Tell me a different language I don't know. Wait, hold on. Tell me a different language I don't know. No, seriously. Tell me a different language I don't fucking know.
This one's gonna go up, okay?
No.
Just keep your head straight for me, all right? You're doing great.
Tell me a language I don't fucking know.
One more, okay?
Really? Tell me something I don't
Okay.
know.
Do you mind if I bring you right over here just so we're not in the middle of the road over here?
I don't give a fuck.
Okay, come on over here for me. You mind starting your front camera for me now? I'm just gonna bring you up here. I left my clipboard up here.
Nah, yeah, do what y'all gotta fucking do, bro.
Yeah.
Ready?
He's just asking if I was ready, so.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
Are you ready? No, I want to make sure you do.
I understand.
What do you have? Okay.
Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay. And would you say you're male or female? I have to ask.
Don't fucking
It's a
ask
serious
me for
question.
that.
Are
Don't
you male or
ask me
female?
that. Don't ask me that.
Or are you male or female?
Both.
What does your driver's license say?
I can give you my license.
I'm just asking you.
I don't know, but I can ask you if
Okay,
you want.
I can look. Would you say you're white, black, Hispanic, other?
Both. All three.
Okay.
Matter of fact. What's your point?
How tall are you?
5'1". What's your point?
And how much would you say you weigh?
110. What's your point?
Why are you yelling, Maria? There's no reason to
What's
yell.
your point? It's not even yelling, baby. I can tell you what the fuck yelling is.
What's your social security number? Do you know?
What's your fucking point, bitch?
And what's your address?
I hope to see you there.
And a phone number for you?
239. Hold on, I need to take a picture of your fucking license plate.
I'll give it to you. Here, come here. Yes, not right now.
Then I need to finish what the fuck your
I'll
fucking
give you a
name is.
call
Can
with
you
my
come?
name on it. No, we gotta
Then
finish
give it
this
to
real
me.
quick. What's your phone number?
Give it to me.
239.
Give it to me.
We can do this in
I
a
don't
minute.
give a fuck.
I'm in the middle of
Give
an
it to me.
investigation.
I'm in the middle of a fucking... Give me your fucking name, bitch, so I can keep a
It's
name.
Officer Tayman. I told you that when we started this.
I need the print.
I'll give it to you here in a minute. Are you sick or injured today? Are you sick or injured? Do you have any physical defects? Are you a diabetic? Are you epileptic? I need to make sure you're medically okay. Are you having any issues right now? Are you seeing a doctor or dentist? Are you taking any medications? Would you say your overall health is good, fair, or poor? Would you say your overall health is good, fair, or poor? So I have a couple of tests I'd like for you to participate in if you would like to. Do you want to participate in them?
Love to.
Okay, so the first one, I'm going to bring you right over here. Okay, so we're going to use this yellow line right here. So I'm going to put you in the starting position, and I'm going to give you the instructions from there, okay? So I want you to put your left foot on the line for me, and your right foot in front. Perfect, and your hands down by your side. And can you touch your heel to your toe on your right foot? No, can your heel of your right foot touch the toe of your left foot? There you go. Okay, so I'm going to give you the instructions. Just stay like that, okay? So I want you to take 9 heel-to-toe steps down the line. It'll look like so. 1, 2, hold on, not yet, not yet. 3, you'll get to 9. You'll take your back foot off the line. Take a series of small steps to turn around. You'll take 9 heel-to-toe steps back down the line. It'll look like this. 1, 2, 3. Hold on, wait, not yet, not yet. You gotta wait. Hang on. I need to finish the instructions for you.
I'm sorry, did I miss the steps?
I didn't finish the instructions.
I know that, but did I fuck up the steps?
Well, do you want me to give you all the
Did
instructions?
I fuck up? I'm asking you a fucking question. Did I fuck up the steps?
You don't need
bitch?
to yell. I heard you. You don't need to yell.
Did I fuck up the steps though? Okay then.
Okay, so this next one we're not going to use the line for, okay? So we'll come back over here so we're not even paying attention to the line. Do you mind facing me? Awesome. So this next one, I'm going to put you in the starting position again.
Yeah, sure.
So put your feet together for me and your hands down by your side. And when I tell you to start, you'll pick either foot. You'll pick that foot up 6 inches off the ground. I want you to, not yet, hold on.
Okay.
I want you to,
bro, hurry
listen,
the fuck up, bro.
Look at your toe. Keep your hands down by your side. And I want you to count out loud 1001, 1002 until I tell you to stop. It'll be about 30 seconds, okay?
Sure.
Hold on, don't start yet. I don't want you to put your foot down.
Of course.
But if you do, pick it back up and continue where you left off, okay? Do you have any questions on that one?
No, ma'am.
All right, hang on. Okay, you can start whenever you're ready.
1,
Go and look down at your toe for me.
2, 3.
You look down at your toe for
4,
me?
5, 6.
Can you look at your toe for me?
7.
Look at your toe.
8.
Look at your
9.
toe for me.
10. What's your point, bro? 11. Sorry, hold on. 11. 12. 13. 14.
Okay,
15,
you can go and stop.
15. 16.
Okay, come on over here for me real quick. Alright, go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me. You're being placed on arrest for driving under the influence.
Officer Tayman then administered the horizontal gaze nystagmus test, the first component of the NHTSA standardized field sobriety test battery. Florida courts recognize HGN results as admissible probable cause evidence when the standardized protocol is strictly followed. The subject's refusal to keep her head still during the HGN test is itself a documented observation. Under NHTSA scoring guidelines, inability to follow instructions is a clue. Non-cooperation does not invalidate the test. It becomes part of the evidentiary record. During the walk and turn test, the subject began walking before instructions were complete. Under the NHTSA protocol, this constitutes a scored clue, specifically failure to follow instructions during the instruction phase. It is admissible in Florida courts as an indicator of impairment. The one-leg stand test revealed additional scored clues: failure to look at the raised foot as instructed, and a skipped count in the numerical sequence. Each deviation is documented on camera and strengthens the probable cause foundation under Florida Statute, Section 3:16.193. Florida Statute, Section 3:16.193, defines driving under the influence as operating a vehicle while normal faculties are impaired by alcohol or a controlled substance. Probable cause does not require a chemical test result. Field sobriety observations are legally sufficient for arrest. The arrest declaration was clear, audible, and captured on camera. Florida law requires that an arrest be communicated to the subject. Officer Tayman satisfied this requirement. Physical restraint was limited to handcuffing within the lower range of the use of force continuum and proportionate under Graham v. Connor. 1989. Miranda warnings were delivered post-arrest, prior to any custodial interrogation. This is the constitutionally correct sequence established in Miranda v. Arizona, 1966. The advisement covered all four required elements: right to silence, use of statements in court, right to counsel, and right to appointed counsel. After Miranda was read, the subject declined to respond. A critical legal distinction applies here. The Supreme Court in Berghuis v. Thompkins, 2010, held that a suspect must affirmatively and unambiguously invoke the right to silence. Silence alone does not constitute invocation. This means the subject's non-response, while understandable, did not legally protect her from further questioning. To invoke, she needed to state clearly, "I am invoking my right to remain silent." The absence of that statement leaves the record legally ambiguous. Regarding the booking questions on gender and race, these are standard demographic intake fields under Florida arrest processing procedure. They carry no Fourth Amendment implication and do not constitute profiling. The subject's hostile responses, while legally protected speech under the First Amendment, created no legal benefit. Under Florida Statute, Section 3:16.1932, the implied consent law, any person operating a motor vehicle in Florida is deemed to have consented to chemical testing upon lawful DUI arrest. Refusal to submit to a breath, blood, or urine test carries administrative penalties independent of the criminal charge. The case outcome remains unknown at the time of this analysis. No court records, case numbers, or news coverage identifying the disposition of this arrest were located through public records review. Analysis is based solely on footage and applicable law.
And somebody advised radio, I think you're on main channel. What's your there? 72 Delta. We'll bring you back to the second car back here, on this side. I'll put you on the passenger side here. Actually, I'm sorry, I'll do the driver's side so that we're not having to deal with the bushes.
Jackets in there.
That's all right. Have a seat. Maria, I got to read you these real quick, okay? So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you can afford to hire a lawyer, one will be a point of representation. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights as I explained them to you? Do you understand those rights?
Shut the fuck up.
Did you want to talk to us?
Shut the fuck up.
Is that a no?
Shut the fuck up.
Officer Tayman receives a grade of B+. The legal sequence was executed correctly. Reasonable suspicion. Voluntary SFST administration. Probable cause development. Lawful arrest. And timely Miranda advisement. Composure under sustained verbal provocation was exceptional and legally significant, preserving the investigation's integrity throughout. However, two procedural gaps prevent a higher grade. First, HGN protocol disruption caused by the subject's non-compliance was not verbally narrated on camera in real time, a missed opportunity to anchor the evidentiary record for later review. Second, the Miranda acknowledgement was left ambiguous. A cleaner, close stating on camera that the subject was given the opportunity to respond and declined would have strengthened the post-arrest record. The subject, Maria, receives a grade of C. The subject did not physically resist arrest, a legally critical decision that prevented the escalation of force and avoided additional charges under Florida Statute, Section 843.02. She also made no incriminating verbal statements post-Miranda, which represents the only strategically sound decision in an otherwise self-defeating encounter. The sustained verbal hostility, while protected under the First Amendment as established in City of Houston v. Hill, 1987, produced a comprehensive on-camera record of non-cooperation. Every instance of test non-compliance was documented as a scored SFST clue. The subject effectively built the prosecution's probable cause case alongside the officer. The failure to affirmatively invoke Miranda rights is the most consequential legal error. Saying "I am invoking my right to remain silent" is not equivalent to simply refusing to speak. Under Berghuis, the distinction is enforceable, and the subject's ambiguous silence forfeited the clearest protection available to her at that moment. Key takeaways. First, field sobriety test participation is voluntary under Florida law, but the manner of refusal matters. Disruptive non-compliance generates scored clues. A clear, calm, verbal declination, "I am choosing not to participate," preserves the right without producing additional evidence against the subject. Second, Miranda invocation requires explicit language. "I invoke my right to remain silent" is the legally operative phrase under Berghuis versus Thompkins. Silence, hostile behavior, or non-response does not carry the same legal weight and may not terminate further lawful questioning. Third, for law enforcement, verbal narration during field sobriety testing serves a dual purpose. It guides the subject and creates a real-time evidentiary record. When a subject is non-cooperative, narrating observations aloud, the subject is moving her head and refusing to follow. The stimulus anchors the SFST record on camera and supports admissibility. Fourth, the timing of Miranda is a procedural bright line, not a judgment call. Advisement before arrest is premature and may not satisfy the custodial threshold. Advisement after arrest and before interrogation as executed, here is the constitutionally correct sequence. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like analyzed in the comments below. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.